An earthquake can strike anytime, so it is important to know how to react.
When an earthquake strikes, immediately do the duck or drop, cover, and hold. If there's a sturdy table in front of you, drop, seek cover, and hold on to the table. If there's no sturdy table, go to the safer part of the building, drop to the ground, and cover your head and nape with your hands, and hold on to that position. When the shaking stops, evacuate to safety. Knowing these simple steps can save your life.
I am Jamaica Romseno and role-playing How Would You React If You Experience Earthquake.
Accident, Cypress and West Grandview. They're advising major injuries. We're attempting to get 1141. We have a...
Most earthquake-related injuries and deaths result from collapsing walls, flying glasses, and falling objects caused by the ground shaking. So earthquakes cause widespread casualties and significant loss of assets worldwide, and the injuries caused by earthquakes are always complex and of various patterns. In order to provide robust disaster preparedness and optimized response, we try to identify to describe the exact type of distribution of the earthquake injuries of the victims. So why first aid kit importance in our lives? So first aid kit, it enables to increase the patient comfort. So not all accidents, injuries, or illnesses require a trip to the hospital, but it doesn't mean they don't cause pain and suffering to the patient. So a child crying because of bruised elbow or with a fever is in the pain and is suffering. So by knowing how to act, even just by employing simple techniques such as applying an ice pack correctly or utilizing appropriate bandaging, she will help to relieve this discomfort. You also provide emotional support by remaining calm and collected, which will make them feel more secure, reduce their anxiety levels. So first aid kit is important because it gives you also tools to prevent the situation from becoming worse. So this is true. So in some situation, if a patient doesn't receive basic first aid care immediately, their situation will deteriorate, often rapidly. By being able to provide basic care until emergency medical services arrives, you'll learn how to use basic household items as tools if a first aid kit is not available, meaning that you're able to cope with many situations. So it creates the confidence to care. Having a first aid knowledge means that you're confident in your skills, abilities, relation to first aid administration by taking first aid training. So it helps you to reflect on yourself and how you and others react in certain situations. So having an understanding will boost your confidence in a wide range non-medical day-to-day situations.